What's going on, gamers? So today, we are going to, open an equipment thing. I know this seems like a pointless video, but it's really not. I'm going to get an S tier out of it because from the Pinky Party, there's this little bar thing right here. There's this chest at the bottom, and you have to get 100 tickets and spend them on things. You get rewards, you know. Yeah, you have to fill that to all the way to the top, and then you get an S tier equipment thing. So I claimed it, and now we're gonna open it and see what we're gonna get. I hope we don't get something trash, like like we don't get something trash, like this thing right here. This is actually not trash, but yeah, one example. But yeah, we're gonna open it, and your guys are gonna react to it. So, actually, we can just select one. Oh, I'm actually kind of dumb, but yeah. Okay, let's select something. So there's this Boom Pellet, there's this shiny wrist guard, but this one's like just better. This one, that one's can get better, but I think like an S tier, something like this would be better, because this is just leveled up 2, but it's 321, and it's the same level. But this one is 320, it's 1 right at here, but it's the same level. So I think we could replace this and get a better one. But yeah, so let's just select that. Actually, yeah, let's do it. Okay, so that, I believe. Right. Yeah, necklace thing. Okay. Yes, I would like that. Yeah! Let's freaking go. Level down it. Now I have 3 million. Yeah. So, and let's also downgrade it too. There we go. So, there we go. And also, there we go. All right. Perfect. Boom. 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 Yeah. Now it's level 2. So now we have the best literal thing ever. But now let's level it up. So, okay. So I don't want to go over the limits, so we're going to do it one by one. This is going to take a while, so let's, yeah. Alright, perfect. So now we got it to 25. See? 390. Now our attack is up, and now just, yes. Okay. So, yeah. And yes, we did, from the last video, we, had this as a, as another boot, but now it's epic rarity instead of excellent rarity, like this, or this, instead of excellent. So now it's epic rarity, so I upgrade it, and skill cooldown minus 30% when inspired. I don't know what inspired means on it, but it got me some more HP. So, yeah. So we're pretty good. I'm actually gonna upgrade all this to level 36. So it matches this So, yeah. Actually, let's merge this. Actually, let's do a merging video too. Let's do a merging video too. Alright, we can upgrade it. Alright. So, yeah. We're pretty much done now. So, yeah, we're pretty much done. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you in the next one.